The best herbal teas to prevent colds in winter and how to make them. Herbal teas can be excellent for preventing and easing the symptoms of colds in winter. Here are some of the best herbal teas, along with simple recipes on how to make them. Echinacea tea. Benefits: known for its immune-boosting properties. Recipe: steep echinacea tea bags or dried echinacea root in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey or lemon for flavor. Ginger tea. Benefits: contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helps soothe sore throats. Recipe: grate fresh ginger into hot water and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Add honey and lemon to taste. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea relieves congestion, soothes sore throats, and has a calming effect. Recipe: steep fresh or dried peppermint leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Sweeten with honey if desired. Chamomile tea. Benefits: known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, helps with sleep. Recipe: steep chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Add a slice of lemon or a teaspoon of honey. Lemon balm tea. Benefits: has antiviral properties, helps with relaxation. Recipe: steep fresh or dried lemon balm leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Add honey and a slice of lemon. Turmeric tea. Benefits: anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Recipe: mix ground turmeric with hot water, add a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption. Sweeten with honey and add a slice of ginger. Licorice root tea. Benefits: soothes sore throats, supports respiratory health. Recipe: steep licorice root slices in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Hibiscus tea. Benefits: packed with vitamin C, has antioxidant properties. Recipe: steep dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Sweeten with honey and add a slice of orange. Thyme tea. Benefits: antimicrobial properties, helps with respiratory issues. Recipe: steep fresh or dry thyme leaves in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add honey and lemon for flavor. Green tea. Benefits: rich in antioxidants, boosts overall immune function. Recipe: steep green tea leaves or bags in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. Add honey or a slice of lemon. Tips for making herbal teas. Use fresh, organic herbs whenever possible for maximum potency. Experiment with combinations to suit your taste and address specific symptoms. Allow the teas to steep adequately to extract the beneficial compounds. Add honey, lemon, or other natural sweeteners for flavor and added health benefits. Herbal tea recipes for prevent colds in winter. Nettle, Urtica dioica. Usage: incorporate dried nettle leaves into teas or soups. Tea recipe: mix 1 tablespoon of dried nettle leaves with hot water. Steep for 5 to 7 minutes and enjoy. Dandelion, Taraxacum officinale. Usage: use fresh dandelion leaves in salads or make a tea from dried roots. Tea recipe: roast dandelion roots, steep in hot water for 10 minutes, and add a touch of honey. Cayenne pepper, Capsicum annuum. Usage: add a pinch to soups, stews, or smoothies. Recipe: mix cayenne pepper with lemon, honey, and warm water for a soothing drink. Sage, Salvia officinalis. Usage: use fresh or dried sage in cooking or make a tea. Tea recipe: steep 1 tablespoon of fresh or dried sage leaves in hot water for 8 to 10 minutes. Chicory root, Cichorium indivus. Usage: roast and grind chicory roots for a coffee substitute. Recipe: brew roasted chicory root in hot water, similar to coffee, and add milk or sweetener if desired. Fennel, Feniculum vulgare. Usage: use fresh fennel in salads or make a tea from seeds. Tea recipe: crush 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and steep in hot water for 10 minutes. Juniper berry, Juniperus communis. Usage: crush berries and use in spice blends or make a tea. Tea recipe: steep a few crushed juniper berries in hot water for a refreshing drink. Pau d'arco, Tababuia impetigosa. Usage: make a tea from the inner bark. Tea recipe: boil 1 tablespoon of Pau d'arco bark in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Lemongrass, Cymbopogon citratus. Usage: use fresh lemongrass in cooking or make a tea. Tea recipe: steep fresh lemongrass in hot water for a citrusy and aromatic tea. Yarrow, Achillea millefolium. Usage: make a tea from dried yarrow flowers. Tea recipe: steep 1 teaspoon of dried yarrow flowers in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Burdock root, Arctium lapa. Usage: use fresh or dried burdock root in soups or stews. Recipe: boil sliced burdock root in water and use the broth in soups or drink it as a tea. Cardamom, Elateria cardamoma. Usage: add crushed cardamom pods to hot beverages or use in cooking. Recipe: crush cardamom pods and steep in hot milk for a comforting and aromatic drink. Eleuthero, Eleutherococcus sanicosus. Usage: take as a supplement or make a decoction. Decoction recipe: simmer 1 tablespoon of dried Eleuthero root in water for 15 minutes. Strain and drink. Bicol skullcap, Scutellaria bicolensis. Usage: use dried skullcap leaves in teas or tinctures. Tea recipe: steep 1 tablespoon of dried skullcap leaves in hot water for 10 minutes. Mullein, Verbascum thapsus. Usage: use dry mullein leaves in teas or infusions. Tea recipe: steep 1 teaspoon of dried mullein leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Golden seal, Hydrastis canadensis. Usage: take as a supplement or make a tea. Tea recipe: steep 1 teaspoon of dried golden seal root in hot water for 10 minutes. Strain and sweeten with honey. Some other herbs and tips for winter wellness. Lemon ginger spice. Benefits: a comforting tea to alleviate cold symptoms. Elderberry, Sambucus nigra. Benefits: rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, elderberry may help reduce the severity and duration of colds. Andrographis, Andrographis paniculata. Benefits: used traditionally to reduce the severity and duration of cold symptoms and boost the immune system. Oregano, Origanum vulgare. Benefits: contains carboxyl and thymol, which have antimicrobial properties that may help fight infections. Astragalus, Astragalus membranaceus. Benefits: traditionally used in Chinese medicine to strengthen the immune system and prevent respiratory infections. Cinnamon, Cinnamomum verum. Benefits: contains antioxidants and has antimicrobial properties that may contribute to immune support. Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis. Benefits: rich in antioxidants, rosemary may help support the immune system and reduce inflammation. Thyme, Thymus vulgaris. Benefits: contains thymol, which has antimicrobial properties and may help with respiratory infections. Peppermint, Mentha piperita. Contains menthol, which can have soothing effects on the respiratory system. Holy basil, Ocimum sanctum. Benefits: known for its adaptogenic properties, holy basil may help modulate the immune response. Golden seal, Hydrastis canadensis. Benefits: contains berberine, known for its antimicrobial properties, and is traditionally used for immune support. Nettle, Urtica dioica. Benefits: rich in vitamins and minerals, nettle may help strengthen the immune system. Dandelion, Taraxacum officinale. Benefits: supports liver health, which is essential for overall immune function. Sage, Salvia officinalis. Benefits: rich in antioxidants, sage may have anti-inflammatory effects that support the immune system. Chicory root, Cicoria mintibus. Benefits: supports the digestive system, which is linked to immune health. Juniper berry, Juniperus communis. Benefits: traditionally used for respiratory health and may have antimicrobial effects. Lemongrass, Kimbopogon citratus. Benefits: has antimicrobial properties and may help with cold symptoms. Burdock root, Arctium lapa. Benefits: supports detoxification and contribute to overall immune health. Marshmallow root, Althea officinalis. Benefits: contains mucilage, which can have soothing effects on the respiratory system. Eleuthero, Eleutherococcus sanicosus. Benefits: adaptogenic herb that may help the body adapt to stress and support immune function. Bicycle skullcap, Scutellaria bicalensis. Benefits: contains compounds with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Mullen, Verbascum thapsus. Benefits: traditionally used for respiratory health and may help with coughs and colds. Red clover, Trifolium prodens. Benefits: rich in antioxidants, red clover may support the immune system. Catnip, Nepetacateria. Benefits: traditionally used for its calming effects and may help with cold symptoms. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.